Hi everyone, Dadne here in the village of Udini Magaji, and today is my second day here, and of course, this is my second time of being here too. So, I want to share it with you here. The village has no light, no internet, but it's blessed with natural resources though. So, but man, mosquito will dey here, but bro, they're strong well. Strong well. So, and I don't know how long I will stay here though. But I pray say mosquito why I meet yesterday no go dey like the way no go dey like this, so that I go fit stay long a little bit. So, if you come across this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Stay blessed and make sure you follow me for more updates here. So I will show you places here within Magaji. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum.